Hello everyone, we are here to solve a division problem of two numbers expressed in exponential form. 2 to the power of 99 divided by 2 to the power of 98 equals, there's a question mark right here. So that's what we need to answer. We're going to solve this division problem without using a calculator. So how are we going to solve it? Alright, so let's start. My first step will be expressing the exponent in terms of 100, 99 in terms of 100, and 98 in terms of 100. So let's do it. So here, 2 to the power of 99 divided by 2 to the power of 98. And this can be written the same way as the exponent expressed in terms of 100. So this is now 2 to the power of 100 minus 1. Since 100 minus 1 is 99, divided by the denominator, the exponent will be expressed also in terms of 100. So 98, that is 100 minus 2. So in here now, the numerator, 2 to the power of 100 minus 1, can be written the same way as 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of negative 1. And the denominator, 2 to the power of 100 times 2 to the power of negative 2. So in here again, on both the numerator and the denominator, based on their exponents, we use the power rule, that is the exponent of the product rule. And the formula is a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So we ended up adding the exponent. So we started out from here on this part. So this is start, and we ended up on this part, and this is the corresponding result. And so from here now, if you notice, 2 to the power of 100 and the denominator the same way, so this now can be cancelled. So what we have left is 2 to the power of negative 1 divided by 2 to the power of negative 2. And from here, if you notice, both of these, the numerator and the denominator have the same negative exponent. Negative 1, in here, denominator has negative 2 exponent. So what we're going to do is put the numerator to the denominator, and the denominator will put it on to the numerator, so we can have a positive exponent. So from here, we're using the principle of exponent rule, negative exponent rule, where we have a formula that is a to the power of negative exponent m. It will be equal to 1 over a to the positive exponent of m. So that will be done on this part right here. So now, this is now 2 to the power of positive exponent of 2 divided by the numerator goes down to the denominator, now becomes 2 to the power of positive 1. So this is now 2 to the second power divided by 2 to the first power is 2. So this is now 2 squared is 4, and divided by 2. So this is now 4 divided by 2 is 2. So our final answer now is 2. So that is our answer. Alright, that's our final answer. And so that's all for now, and for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone. I will see you on the next video. Bye.